Today, today we begin a new lesson. I had told you to read one or two pages. This before the class you should read the lesson. I take only maximum one page or half a page a day. There is not much to read, only to read. If you read and come, then you will be able to understand my words on connotation. Otherwise, you will stuck with the denotation. All of you, or there are one or two, without combing properly the hair. Cut the hair. Yes, cut the hair. Comb the hair properly. You are seen by many. So, in the last class, I told you, combing. When I see all these things, I am going away from my topic. So, we should have a pleasant personality. Our personality should be attractive, whether boy or girl. It counts a lot. When you go for an interview and all these things, how do you present yourself? This will not come within a minute. It is a process. It is a process. It is a part of learning. Slowly, slowly, you will learn all these things. So practice it. Practice it. That is why I make these kind of things very strict to my life. Not only the marks that count, I want to see a good personality when you go out of 12. You should be a changed person, a transformed person. That is why I told you, follow me, follow my words, don't think otherwise. Those who have followed, they might have experienced. Here there is no need of thinking. In this matter, you have to follow. Act as it is told. So it will be beneficial to you. Okay, so we are in a new lesson. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. So, it is written by Gordon Cook and Alan East. Before the beginning of the lesson, I want to admonish you. I want to advise you. Why I use the word admonish? Nowadays, people do not want to hear advices. Once upon a time, people were saying advice is the cheapest commodity available in the market. Commerce students may understand the meaning of this sentence. Advice is the advice is the cheapest commodity, cheapest thing. Nobody likes it. Meenakshi, do you like advice? Do you like advice?
Yes. Not much.
Eh?
Not much.
Not much, not much people, but you must like advice. Shivani, do you like advice?
No, sir.
Sometimes. That is not a problem. This is the part of our age. People of this age think that we know everything. Don't come to teach us. That is a psychological mind setup. The psychology students will study later. No, you will study later. So people think that we know everything, so no need to teach us. No. There is a famous proverb saying, man is a student to the graveyard. You are a student to the graveyard. Till your death, you are a student. We should be students. We should be in search of learning. So, hearing the advice, you hear it. It will be digested. Slowly, it will be digested. That will be good for your personality. Advices are always good. good advices. So, okay. So, love, not like advice. Love advice. Love advice. Like and love are different. That I will tell you later. What is the difference between like and love? I like advice. I love advice. What is the difference? You may think that we will see. So here, in our life, this year, this should be your beginning +1, +2, the final stage of your schooling. So this should be the lesson. In this lesson, from this lesson, we will find a saying, a proverb, that is our motto. That will be our motto. That when it comes, I will tell you. So this lesson should be watched carefully. So in this lesson is an experience of a family. Life experience of a family. A family was in struggle. Death was in front of them. They were facing death. Not here. They were facing death in a ship. They were facing a huge shipwreck. From facing that moment, how did they overcome it? How did they overcome that struggle? That is the story. Here, there are 6 characters. 4 are main, 2 are subsidiaries, complement characters. Among the 4 members of a family, you should be one. Understand? You should be one of the characters. You can choose either father or mother or son or daughter. You can choose anyone. On the course of time, when we see the lesson, you should attach yourself to one of the characters. Then only this lesson will have a result in your life. This will create you a decision-making student. Decision-making student. So this lesson has importance in examination. At the same time, it has greater importance in your life. So attend very carefully. In July 1976, my wife Mary, not my wife, the writer's wife. My wife Mary, underline Mary. Son Jonathan, underline son Jonathan. 6 years old, studying class 2. My daughter Susanne, underline, daughter Susanne, 7 years old, in class 3. July, class 3rd started, academic year started. So passing from 2nd to 3rd. One is passing from 1 to 2. In this way, you have to understand. Some of you may ask, what is the purpose of saying all these things? We have to understand the classes. We have to understand the lesson in a realistic manner, related to ourselves. So it will be very easy to reproduce in examination. We are learning +2. Sitting in +1, we are learning +2. Do you remember what did I say? Sitting in +1, we are learning +2. So keep the mind like that. My daughter Susanne, 7, and I, underline I, number 4. So 4 members of a family: wife, son, daughter, and father. I set sail from Plymouth. Set sail, started my journey from Plymouth, that is in England. to duplicate the round the world voyage. Don't go forward. Stop there. To duplicate the round world voyage. Can anyone can say the meaning duplicate there? Switch on. You can, those who can, history students can understand.
Recreate.
Eh?
Recreate.
Great. Speak aloud. No.
Recreate.
Recreate. Recreate. Why it is duplicate word meaning is recreate. But why the word duplicate the round the world is written there?
It was done by someone earlier.
Who told that?
Punya.
Punya, very good, very good. That round the world voyage was done by somebody else. You see, from the very word duplicate, we are going to history now. This is the way. In literature, each word contains hundreds and hundreds of backgrounds. That is why you may be remembering in the first class I told you. When we study literature, English literature, we will study maths, we will study science, we will study history, everything. Everything will come here. So here one very word, duplicate, means a voyage around the world had done somebody else. And the same act we are doing second time, duplicate. Do you understand? So who had done that work first? It is in the textbook. Who had done it? Around the world, 80 days. Punya, do you know? Round the world in 80 days. Michael? Anybody else? Who made the voyage around the world in 80 days? Captain Cook. So, earlier, 200 years ago, Captain James Cook rounded the world in 80 days. So, same work he is going to do. For the longest time, Mary and I. Here you see, just to come to the point. Just whenever you write, Mary, sorry. You see, Mary and I. This usage, you see. Whenever we write this kind of usages, here you have to note, we cannot say I and Mary. In Malayalam, sometimes we may say I and Mary. But in English, first you have to use third person. Third person. First person will be coming last. He and I, she and I. Clear now? So when we use it, Mary and I should be, first person should be written last. So, Mary and I, my wife and I. Who am I? What am I? Who am I? What am I? What am I? I am a businessman. Businessman. A 37-year-old businessman had dreamt of sailing in the wake of the famous explorer, and for the past 16 years we had spent all our leisure time honing our seafaring skills. You see, you see there. For last 16 years, this husband and wife were dreaming to duplicate James Cook's activity. Sail around the world. And you see, had dreamt of, you see, dreamt and dreamed, both are same. Some people may use dreamed, but best word is dreamt. Dreamed is American usage, dreamt is British usage. Learned, N-E-D, learned, American usage, British usage is learnt, learnt. You see, in certain places you may see this kind of things. You may see this kind of things. You see, learned. This is past tense. Learned, past tense. You see, the same is written like this. L-E-R-E-N-T, learned. Don't say this is wrong, don't say this is wrong. Both are correct. Only this is American, this is British. I would suggest you to use this one. In the same way, bond. Bond. This is American, this is British. I would suggest this one. Burnt. Clear now? So these kind of usages we should understand. Okay, so he had dreamt of sailing in the wake of the famous explorer Captain James Cook. There are some people, while reading the book, they may get some kind of inspiration and they may try to do. There was a game, some kind of video, mobile game, PUBG. There was a great instruction that nobody shall go for that game. For in that game, I heard that in the end of the game, one set, you will be instructed to do something. Then only you will be going to the other sets. So people, there are people, isn't it? Have you done it, Gabri? PUBGs, Sharat? Sometimes. So they may scratch their skin. I heard seen. Adul, isn't it? Like this, with the blade scratching on the hand and getting into the game. Getting into the game. Don't go for such kind of games. Don't go for such kind of games. So here, so that as the game attracted the boy to do without his real thinking power, he was doing that. His sole purpose was to enter the next stage of the game. He never thinks. Here you see, here this family had dreamt of sailing. They never thought of the do's and don'ts, the struggle behind. But they adamantly, strongly decided, we will make a roundabout. They adamantly, strongly decided. Have you decided such kind of things? When you chose a group here, stream, you went to chairman and told, sir, I want commerce, I want maths computer, I want biomaths, I want bio IP, sir, I want bio fashion. Before asking the stream, before taking the group, did you decide that I will? Did you dream literature asks you. The author asks you. This is what is called literature. When you read, hundreds of meanings are behind each word. So after reading the book or the history of James Cook, Captain James Cook, these couples dreamt to have a roundabout. And they had spent all their leisure, free time, honing our seafaring skills. Seafaring skills, skills of a mariner. Skills of a mariner, that is what is called seafaring skills. Honing, honing, the word comes from the word honey, honey. If you get honey, if you take honey, you will feel sweetness. Here, the sweetness of developing the skills of a mariner. In other words, enjoying. Honing, honing, enjoying. Enjoying the drills, skills of mariner. So they became mariners. So whenever they got free time, whenever they got leisure, they were trying to learn all the techniques of, all the skills of mariner. Our boat, so they made a boat. Its name is Wave Walker, underline, Wave Walker. A 23 meter. How can you imagine the length of 23 meter? Mathematics students, biomass and mass computer students. How can you easily, by sitting in the class, how can you imagine? How can you imagine? It is possible. Okay. See, so one classroom is on 7 meters. So 3 classrooms minimum length of the ship. Now we understood? In this way, when somebody says a distance, you can imagine now. Now you got a classroom size, you can imagine 25 feet, 7 meters. Accordingly, you multiply. So here Wave Walker is of 23. This is not for board exam. Just to have common sense. Just to have common sense. So 23 meter, 30 ton. 1 ton is how many quintals? Achut? 1 ton is how many quintals? Then first of all, you should know what is a quintal.
Sir, 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg.
1 ton is equal to 1000
kg.
Kilograms. 1 quintal is?
I don't know.
1 quintal, I have to teach you mathematics now. 1 quintal is equal to how many kilograms? Adul, no answer had come from there. 100 kilo. 100 kilogram is equal to 1 quintal. So 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 ton. So how many quintals?
10
quintals. I did not knowingly, I didn't ask how many kilograms. I asked quintal. So it is 30 ton, 300 quintal weight. 30 ton wooden hulled. Wooden hulled means covered with wood, made of wood. Wooden hulled beauty. So the Wave Walker is explained as a vessel 23-meter lengthy, 30-ton wooden hulled beauty, that is equal to wave walker, had been professionally built, skillfully built, and we had spent months and months. We had spent months and months fitting it out and testing it in the roughest weather we could find. You see, underline, fitting it out and testing it in the rough weather, very important to us. So, spending months and months, they made the vessel. What is the vessel, Grishma? What is the vessel here?
A boat.
Boat. What? Which is the boat here, Anjo?
Wave walker.
Wave walker. Wave walker. Wave walker is the vessel here. This vessel is made with the hard work of months and months. They made it. Then, before their voyage, they traveled and tested in the rough weather whether it is fit or not. Whether it is fit or not, they were trying to find out. In this way, we are now in +1 +2. You see? We are now in +1 +2. We are making a wave walker. We are making a wave walker. Its name is +2. And a number of wooden panels are used to cover the vessel. Maths, accountancy, physics, chemistry, English, all types of wooden panels will be used to make this vessel. And at times we will keep this wave walker into the rough weather, whether it will work it or not, in examinations. The rough sea is our weekly exams, monthly exams, term exams. We will try it. Once we, the captains, we are the captains. Once we, the captains, get a confidence that it can make the roundabout journey, we will push the ship to the sea. You are the ship. You are the wave walker. We will push you to the board exam. That is the roughest sea. Clear now? Clear now? Do you understand how this wave walker, we are becoming the wave walker? We are the wave walker. You are the wave walker. So now we are building the ship. We are making the ship. This is a formatting period. This is a period of formation. This is a period of transformation. All should understand the importance. Okay, so we will see the rest in the next class. Okay, I end the class. Okay, thank you.